terrific and happening start. And sometimes when Danny gets into the lead early on, he may be gone. So keep your eye, of course, on Danny Pedrosa. But Valentino Rossi looking very strong. The morning warm-up, it looks like he found some settings that he likes. He had one of his sector times.
One of those times.
He actually had some
Yeah, the Yamaha livery is like pictures of people.
Valentino nursing a little bit of leg injury, all of our fans know, but also some shoulders. They have been working very hard for one shoulder in midweek, and the other shoulder.
We'll see pictures on the internet.
Good side. So Valentino, I think, saving a bit of energy for this main event like he always does, and we of course will see him at his best. Ben Speed qualified fifth quick with 21.679. Ben doing a great job in their top American qualifier, and Ben and Valentino Rossi may have a battle going on.
Well, Speed is also too riding extremely well, considering the fact that he was also the screen, but that's some of the